Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.